Welcome guys. So in today's video, if you've got a problem with Windows installation with USB and it's not working, stay tuned and I will show you what to do. Yes guys, a lot of people out there don't know how to solve this issue, but I do. So I'm going to share my knowledge and understanding with you guys so you learn and you know how to do this. So guys, please pay attention and watch the video from start to finish. As you can see, this PC can't run Windows 11. Interesting. So, this is what you need to do. Right, exit this, get out of this, and I need you to enter BIOS. Yes, enter BIOS configuration settings by tapping the F2 key. So the first thing you need to do is go to boot sequence. Ensure UEFI is selected. Now you need to select Advanced Boot Options. Uncheck this. Apply changes. I want you to go to PTT Security and enable this feature. So check this box. Apply changes. Okay. Now for the final step. Enable secure boot. So as you can see, my one is disabled. So I'm going to enable this feature. Apply the changes. Okay. So now that's all done. It's the moment of truth. We need to exit BIOS now. Keep tapping the F12 key for boot menu option when your bootable drive is inserted to USB. So I'm going to fast forward this. Right, as you can see, it's going to be the moment of truth. So install now. Is it going to work, guys? Yes or no? Let's see. Yep, successful. So it's worked. Thumbs up. All good. Guys, I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Please check out my other videos too. I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.